In the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Iram Jabal. I would like to welcome you in chemistry class. In our today's lecture, we will discuss about Avogadro's number. We know that atom is an extremely small size particle and we cannot weigh its mass. That's why we introduced a standard quantity which is known as mole. In the same way, we cannot calculate number of particles which are present in 1 mole of substance. So in order to calculate total number of particles which are present in a 1 mole of substance, Avogadro, a scientist, hypothetically assigned a imaginary number. This number is known as Avogadro's number because we cannot calculate number of particles. That's why he assigned this constant value in order to make calculations possible. This Avogadro number is represented by Na and its value is 6.0210 raised to power 23 and its unit is per mole as you can see in diagram. 1 mole of carbon 12 is 12 gram and 1 mole of copper is 63.5 gram. But they both have equal number of particles because both are 1 mole and they contain equal number of particles which is equal to its Avogadro's number, that is 6.0210 raised to power 23. In this way, Avogadro make it possible to calculate number of particles which are present in 1 mole of any substance. And in case of atom, for example, when we are going to take 1 mole of sodium, then we need 23 gram of sodium. And we know that 1 mole contain Avogadro's number of particles. In the same way, if we are going to take 12 gram of carbon, then this 12 gram of carbon is 1 mole and we know that 1 mole contain Avogadro's number of particles which is 6.0210 raised to power 23 atoms. In case of molecule like sulfuric acid and water, if we are going to take 1 mole of sulfuric acid, then it would be 98 gram of sulfuric acid and this 98 gram sulfuric acid would contain 6.0210 raised to power 23 molecules. In the same way, if we are going to take 18 gram of water, then this 18 gram water is 1 mole of water and we know that 1 mole of water contain 6.0210 raised to power 23 molecule. Mean 1 mole of every substance should contain Avogadro's number of particles. In the same way, in case of ionic compound like NaCl and calcium chloride, if we are going to take mass which is equal to its formula mass, then that quantity would be 1 mole and 1 mole again contain Avogadro's number of particles or Avogadro's formula units. Like NaCl, if we are going to take 58.5 gram NaCl, then this 58.5 gram of NaCl contains 6.0210 raised to power 23 formula units. Same is the case with calcium chloride. If we are going to take 111 gram of calcium chloride, then that amount is 1 mole and 1 mole again contains 6.0210 raised to power 23 formula units. Same is the case with ionic substance. 1 mole of hydroxyl is 17 gram and this 17 gram of hydroxyl contain Avogadro's number of ions. In the same way, 1 mole of sulfate is 96 gram and this 96 gram of sulfuric acid contain Avogadro's number of ions. And we can calculate number of particles for any substance if we know the mass or molar mass of that substance. As if we are going to calculate number of atom, then we need mass of an atom, and then divide the mass of an atom with its atomic mass and multiply this with Avogadro number. Then we come to know the number of atoms which are present in given mass of an atom. In the same way, if we want to calculate number of molecule, then we need mass of molecule. After that, divide the mass of molecule with its molar mass and again multiplied with Avogadro value. And if we need number of ions, then we need mass of an ion. After that, divide the mass of an ion with its ionic mass and again multiplied with hypothetical number, that is Avogadro number. Same is the case with formula units. In case of formula unit, we need mass of formula unit which is provided to us. Then divide this mass with its formula mass and after that multiplied with Avogadro number. Or we can simply say that if we need number of particle, then multiply the number of mole of that substance with Avogadro value. Then we come to know about the number of particles which are present in given quantity or given moles of chemical substance. It's all about today's lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.